your trusted space to learn medical coding step by step. In this video, we begin our full medical coding course 2025 edition, fully verified with the latest coding updates from CMS, AMA, and NCHS. All examples and codes you'll see are checked and current for 2025. What is medical coding? Medical coding is the process of converting healthcare diagnoses, procedures, and services into standard alphanumeric codes. These codes are used by hospitals, insurance companies, and analysts for accurate billing, reporting, and compliance. In simple words, coding is the language that connects healthcare providers and payers. The three major code sets there are three main code sets used in the United States. ICD-10CM, for diagnoses, maintained by CMS and NCHS, updated every October 1st. CPT codes, for procedures and services, maintained by the American Medical Association, updated January each year. HCPCS Level 2, for supplies, durable medical equipment, and drugs, released quarterly by CMS. Why medical coding matters? Accurate coding ensures that healthcare providers receive proper reimbursement and that patients are billed correctly. It also improves data quality for research and public health reporting. Proper coding minimizes claim denials and supports legal compliance in every healthcare organization. Why learn coding in 2025? The 2025 updates bring several important changes: new ICD-10CM codes for emerging diseases, revised CAPTAIN codes for telehealth and E/M services, and new HCPCS codes for advanced therapies. With digital health growing fast, certified coders are in higher demand than ever before. Career opportunities. Learning medical coding opens multiple career paths: medical coder, auditor, insurance claim specialist, compliance analyst, and even remote coding positions worldwide. Many coders now work from home with flexible hours and competitive salaries. About this course. This is a structured 6-month program covering everything from anatomy and terminology to ICD-10CM, CPT, HCPCS, billing, and compliance. You'll get real-world case practice, mock exams, and career guidance. Every topic follows official 2025 guidelines, double-checked before publishing. Our teaching method. We believe learning should be simple and accurate. Each lesson is based on verified CMS, AMA, and NCHS documents. We explain logic, not just answers, helping you understand why a code is correct. And if you ever spot an error, please comment. We review and update everything promptly. In the next lesson, we'll begin with medical terminology basics. You'll learn the prefixes, suffixes, and root words that form every medical term. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching KS Medical Coding Academy. Subscribe to continue the 2025 full course journey. Verified sources used: ICD-10CM Guidelines FY 2025, CMS, NCHS, CPT 2025 Update, AMA, HCPCS Quarterly Update, CMS, all content verified as of November 2025. Learn smart, code right, and grow your career with KS Medical Coding Academy.